It's a beautiful Tuesday morning and I just finished working out a bit and I'm feeling great. Nothing can go wrong today. It's 8:30, I'm heading out to work and I walk about a kilometer every single day while going to my office, even though my bike is lying right there. Why? Well, if you insist, not to brag or anything, but I have a multi-million-dollar vehicle that comes to pick me up every single day to work. It's funny because I said the vehicle comes to pick me up, but it's actually public transport. What am I doing with my life? The Instagram reel I saw did it much better. The metro ride took me about 15 minutes and I reached office. I come in early because I like to be on time at work and absolutely not because of the free breakfast. I'm done with the stand-up and now finally I'll get some work done. I went out with my colleagues for lunch and now I'll get back to get more work done. I'm basically creating a SDK which will be used across the teams within the company to send notifications and stuff. And it was quite a productive day. I got a ton of work done and I'm done for the day. Metro ride once again, a kilometer of walk once again, and I finally reached home. And I started on my game Off the Six. If you don't know what is Off the Six, you should definitely check out my older videos. Last week we had our combat system ready, but it's not really playable yet and my art style is way too complicated. So I'm going to simplify that and maybe I'll have a playable level. I followed a tutorial and created these rock assets and I really like these. I don't know, it's looking really weird. Instead of blindly creating new assets, I took advice of nonsensical 2D and tried to create a fun playable zone of the level first using these basic sprites. And now let's play test. I fixed it. And this feels quite fun, for now at least. Now I just have to think of what to fill these basic sprites with. I'm thinking of making this a cave scene which will lead to the main countryside level. We'll have tutorial and stuff here, I guess. And fortunately I created few assets yesterday and I think those will do. I actually discarded these assets because I thought these are way too simple and look bland, but as they say, bland is spicy. Thanks to nonsensical 2D again, because these assets are definitely inspired by his, not copied. Yeah, maybe copied. And then I started adding few rocks and foliage in the foreground as well for that parallax effect. This looks cool. Let's see how it plays. Pretend you didn't see that. And also I added a bit of fog for that depth and few rock pillars to really make it seem like a cave. Then few more pillars, but this time blurred to really enhance that depth. And then in the background I used Unity's particle system to make it really spicy. I really like this. But it's already 12:30 and I have stretched a lot tonight. So I'll crash into my bed and see you next week. Like and subscribe or I'll smash your